Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the specific Google sheet and finding the filtered sheet. This matters because filters only apply per sheet. Once open, scan the toolbar for the funnel icon and check column headers for small triangles. Those show active filters. If you don't have edit access, request it now. Otherwise, you can't remove filters. Next, select any cell inside the filtered range so Sheets knows which filter to target, and make sure the entire data range is visible to avoid accidental row omission. You can remove filters two ways. Use whichever is faster. Click the funnel icon in the toolbar to toggle filters off. This clears active column filters and restores all rows. Alternatively, choose Data, then select Turn Off Filter. That's helpful when multiple filters exist. If the sheet uses a filter view, open Data, choose Filter Views, then select the active view and click Remove or Close. This stops the view without altering others. Make sure to verify rows returned match expectations before continuing. Once you've toggled filters off, confirm that all rows and summary values are back. Check totals or counts to validate restoration. If filters seem stuck, reload the sheet. Temporary UI glitches resolve on refresh. Also try clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window. If the problem remains, inspect whether a filter view is still active or another collaborator has a personal view. Make sure they close it, or request edit rights so you can remove it directly. That usually fixes stubborn filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.